Here we are on a 2006 Toyota 4Runner. Gonna fix the thermostat light. So what we're gonna fix is the temperature high-low light that you can see is currently out. We'll go through step by step with some lights and we'll see how to do this. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is remove the little glove box. To remove that, you open it up, we're gonna pull straight up. On both sides, and it comes straight on out. And right here you can see there's a Phillips head screw. We're going to unscrew that screw. So as you can see, there's a Phillips and or a number 10. I tell you, you could dismantle an entire Toyota with a number 10 socket. I'm going to go ahead and loosen this up and take it off. And you got my trusty helper here. Yeah, he likes to help while we're working on the car. So once the number 10 screw is out and or Phillips, you need to grab both ends of the controllers and we're just going to pull. There's 4 clips that's holding this together. So you'll pull it kind of hard and it'll just come right on out. So once you've pulled the 4 pins, as you can see, there's 1 clip here and it'll remove it from the car. I'm going to go ahead and pull that. Alright, so which one we're going to work on here is the hot-cold temperature side, which is on my left side. So if I roll the gauge cluster over, you can see right here is a real small, looks like a Phillips, or you can use a small flat blade, which I'm going to use. And we're going to go ahead and rotate it, and then we're going to take it on out. And here it is, a little teeny light bulb that has burned out. So we're going to go and see where to get that replaced. So I went to Toyota dealer and ordered the bulb number 90010-0916. As you can see from the schematics, the Limited has the 2 extra bulbs, which are B, which is the 09016. I originally ordered A from the SR5, so I didn't know there was a difference, but the A's are a different bulb. So anyways, just for those, this is for a 2006 Toyota 4Runner Limited. And here it is, the final product. Put the 1 screw back in, put the glove box in that little mini box. I have all the lights working. So about 5 minutes work, well maybe more than that, 10 minutes to work. And all done. $7 bulb from the Toyota dealer. Put all back together and all good. Again, 2006 Toyota 4Runner Limited. Thanks for watching.